Good morning, everyone. I am Clavel, and today I'll show you how to make a database using WAMP. So first, open the WAMP, then MySQL, then MySQL console. So enter. So first, let's create a database. Name database. Let's name it as Clavel. Oh, I'm sorry. Create database. Let's say okay. So after creating a database, let's make a table. So table, let's skip table. The next is table name is, let's say, customer. Then the attributes of customer is got host code, have a data type of integer, then host last name, char 50 size. Next is customer, sorry, first name, first name, then char 50, then initial, customer initial, uh, initial, initial, the same char 1050 maximum. After that, we have the customer area code, integer, then customer phone, it's also an integer, then lastly is customer balance, customer balance, an integer. Then let's set the primary key for our table, primary key, which is the cost code. Then after that, and I know, I'm sorry, I have to use the database first. So use okay. Then let's the table. Let's just copy this, copy, then paste. So we have now successfully created a table. So now let's create another table for the invoice. Invoice. Then the attributes are invoice number, which is integer. The next is the cost code for the primary foreign key, cost code. In the next is invoice date, which is date. Then let's set the primary key to um, invoice number. Then that's it. Now let's establish the connection for our foreign key to our um, customer table. So all we have to do is write the alter table, then the table name of our invoice, which is invoice, then add foreign key, which is whose code, then references, references, and the table name for our reference is the customer, and the attributes host code, then enter. So successful. Let's see if this successful scribe invoice. Wrong spelling. So as you can see, we have the primary key and the foreign key. The next, we have to create another table for our line, table line. wait, table line. Then its attributes are invitation number, int, and next is line number, which is also an integer. The next is p code, p code. The next is line units, which is also an integer. Wait, the p code, this is also an integer. Line units. The next is, oh wait, uh, line units. And then next is line price. And then after that, we have to like declare our primary key to invitation number, and then also wait number, and also the line number. So the table has been created successfully. The um, next is let's also create another table for our product before we connect the foreign key, which is the um, P code to our product. So let's first create a um, product table. Then the attributes are P code, which is an integer, P code, then P description, script, which is a char 50. Next is P in date, which is a data type. The next is P QOH, which is an integer data type. The next is P minimum, which is also an integer. The next is price. Price is also double. The next is P discount, which is an double. The next, lastly, is V code for our foreign key. This is also an integer. Then let's set the primary key for the table product, which is the P code. P code. Yes, that's it. So the product table has been created successfully. So now let's establish the connection between uh, product and the line. Right? I ano ko yun? Wait. Show line. Did I create this prime line? So here we have to connect the P code to our product. So all we have to do is alter table line, then add the foreign key, which is the P code, and its references is the table name product, also the attributes P code, which is P code. Okay, so let's see. Describe line. So as you can see, we have now the connection between line and product. So now let's create the last table, which is the table vendor, and its attributes are vcode, vcode, which is an integer, then vname, which is a char, then vcontact, it's an integer, then area code, which is an integer also, then phone, an integer, then state, which is a character, 50, then order, which is also a character. After that, just like before, we have to set our primary key, and the primary key for this table is the vcode. Oh, so now the vendor table has now been created successfully. So let's see our output describe first the customer, then this describe describe invoice, describe line, and also describe um, product. Then lastly is describe vendor. So first, our customer table have a primary key of which here, so here, customer here, tara. So in the customer table, we have the primary key of postcode. Then in our invoice, we have the primary key invitation number and the foreign key of postcode, which establishes the connection to our table here in customer. The next, the line, we have two primary key, which is the invitation number and line number, and also this invitation number is also a foreign key to the invoice table. As you can see, the foreign key can't be seen, but as I command before, it has already been created, so it is also it is a successful command. The next, we have also the foreign key, which is the P code to connect to establish a connection to our product. So as you can see here in our product table, we have the primary key of P code. Then after that, the oh, I forgot to set the in the product table, this B code is supposed to be a foreign key to the vendor table. So let's make it right. Table name product. The next is add foreign key, which is V code. Then references, which is the vendor, and also the vendor, then V code. V code. Oh, sorry, wrong spelling. Then let's describe. So as you can see, the V code is now a foreign key to establish the connection to our vendor table. So that's all. That's how you make a database using the WAMP server. So thank you.